She must not catch me. I have enough money now. Yes. Enough for my starving mother and brothers. Please, let me go. Let me go home first before you imprison me. Very well, officers. Take me to your headquarters.
Magaling yan. Nagka-teatro kasi talaga yan.
No! No, Captain! You are mistaken! I was once a good child! Just like the rest of you here! Just like any of your daughters! But time was when I was reared in slums. But we lived honestly! We lived honestly in life! My father, mother, brother, sisters, and I! But then, poverty entered the portal of our home. My father became jobless. My mother got ill. All the savings that my mother had kept for our expenses were spent. All for our daily needs and for her needed medicine. One night, my father went out, telling us that he would come back in a few minutes with plenty of food and money. But that was the last time I saw him. He went with another woman. If only I could lay my hands on his neck, I'd wring it without pain until it breathes no more. If you were in my place, what? You won't still believe in me? Come, and I'll show you the dilapidated shanty by a railroad. Mother? Mother, I'm home. Mother? Mother! Mother! Mother!
Yun lang kalit natin.
Wala na.
Sarah Captain! See my dead mother! Captain! There are tears in your eyes! Now, pack his stolen money and return it to the owner!
Wala na siya.
What's good to this good to my mother now? She's already gone! Do you hear me? She's already gone! My eyes will be blamed for the things I have done!
Yay! Love it.